Welcome to Croatia, a country of sparkling seas, ancient cities, and storybook scenery on the edge of the Adriatic. Located in Southeast Europe, Croatia borders Slovenia, Hungary, Serbia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, and Montenegro with a stunning coastline along the Adriatic Sea. Its capital is Zagreb, known for its charming streets, cafes, and historic squares. Croatia has about 3.9 million people. The official language is Croatian, and the currency is the euro, as of 2023. Croatia is a parliamentary republic. The president is head of state, while the prime minister handles daily governance. It's a member of the European Union, NATO, and the Schengen area. Croatia's economy thrives on tourism, shipbuilding, agriculture, and services, with its picturesque coast being a major global attraction. Nature in Croatia is incredibly diverse. There are over 1,200 islands, each with its own charm. The Dinaric Alps stretch along the coast, offering dramatic cliffs and hiking trails. Inland, you'll find forests, rivers, and lakes. Plitvice Lakes National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is world famous for its cascading waterfalls and turquoise waters. Croatian culture blends Mediterranean, Central European, and Balkan influences. The country is predominantly Roman Catholic, and its traditions shine in music, folklore, and festivals. Croatia has given the world inventors like Nikola Tesla, and writers, athletes, and scientists who've made global impact. Traditional clothing, klapa, a cappella singing, and intricate lace-making are preserved in local villages. Major celebrations include Statehood Day, June 25th, and Assumption Day in August. Fun fact, Croatia invented the necktie. Cravat comes from the word Croat. The food? Absolutely delicious. Along the coast, dishes are Mediterranean-inspired. Think great fish, olive oil, and seafood risottos. Inland, you'll find hearty stews, sausages, and meats. Signature items include pastakata, beef stew, soparnik, charred pie, and savapi, grilled meat rolls. Don't miss the local wines or rakaja, food brandy. Sports play a huge role in Croatian life. Football is king, with Croatia reaching the 2018 World Cup final and placing third in 2022. Tennis, water polo, and handball are also big, and Croatians are known for their fierce sporting spirit. Why visit? Wander through the walled city of Dubrovnik, a real-life King's Landing from Game of Thrones. Sail along island-dotted coastlines, explore Roman ruins in Split, or relax on sun-soaked beaches. Croatia combines history, nature, and sunshine like no other. Whether you're drawn by the Adriatic breeze, the ancient beauty, or the unbeatable vibes, Croatia is calling your name. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Love our doodles? Enjoy 10% off our digital country bundles on Etsy with code DOODLE10.